Russia has once again demonstrated its prowess in the field of defense. Its air defense systems are now said to be increasingly lethal against enemy drones. But behind this enhancement in capability, what is Moscow truly focusing on right now? In recent times, we've seen just how difficult it is to counter the threat posed by drones. Some are tiny, like quadcopters, and their ability to maneuver nimbly makes them extremely hard to detect, let alone destroy effectively. On top of that, the relatively low production cost of drones allows them to be deployed in large numbers simultaneously, posing a significant challenge to conventional air defense systems. It's not uncommon for expensive, advanced missiles to be used to bring down drones that cost only a fraction of the price of those weapons, a clear imbalance that is unsustainable in the long run. Recognizing the complexity of this threat, Russia appears to be moving swiftly in search of solutions. They are now introducing a new approach that is claimed to be more cost-effective and efficient in countering large-scale drone swarm attacks. This strategic move could potentially shift the dynamics of modern warfare. However, the question remains, can this innovation truly address the challenges on the battlefield? Let's dive deeper. Russia's latest defense development has attracted the attention of many media outlets, including the Bulgarian military. It was revealed that High Precision Systems, a subsidiary of Russia's state-owned company Rostec, has delivered a series of advanced mini-missiles to the Russian armed forces. These missiles are specifically designed to enhance the Pantsir air defense system, with the delivery officially announced by Rostec's press service. The new mini-missiles bring fresh momentum to Russia's defense strategy. With their capability to counter various types of aerial threats, including unmanned aerial vehicles, these missiles strengthen Pantsir's role as a frontline system in protecting critical infrastructure and strategic military assets. First introduced to the public during the Fleet 2024 naval exhibition in Kronstadt last year, their presence underscores Moscow's commitment to adapting to the ever-evolving and increasingly complex modern battlefield. Now, all eyes are on the Pantsir system. The upgrade in its ammunition, featuring smaller, lighter, yet highly effective missiles, offers a concrete solution to low-cost, numerous, and fast-moving threats like modified commercial drones. These mini-missiles address urgent operational needs by targeting small and agile threats without the need to use larger, more expensive, and limited guided missiles. With this innovation, High Precision Systems has not only delivered new weaponry, but also equipped Russian forces with greater flexibility and field efficiency. But just how promising are these mini-missiles? A weapon system that can adapt to dynamic threats is the key to victory. The Pantsir, a short-range air defense system proven in multiple conflicts, has now undergone a significant capability leap. More than just a shield, it has transformed into a precision striker under pressure. The upgrades are far from cosmetic. Each mini-missile is housed in a special container holding 4 units. With 12 such containers, a single Pantsir unit now carries 48 missiles, 4 times its previous standard capacity. This isn't just a quantitative boost, it's a dramatic enhancement in combat endurance. In high-intensity scenarios, where attacks come in relentless waves, this advantage becomes the difference between dominance and vulnerability. These containers are fully compatible with existing Pantsir launch systems. Operators can reload using standard procedures, without any structural modifications. This ensures that rearmament is fast and efficient, minimizing downtime between attack waves and maintaining high combat readiness. Behind the increased missile count lies remarkable tactical flexibility. Mini-missiles, small in size but deadly in precision, are designed to counter a wide range of aerial threats, from conventional fighter jets to high-speed mini-drones, which have become a menace in asymmetric warfare. By combining mini and standard missiles, Pantsir can adapt its response in real time based on the nature of the threat. For field commanders, this means freedom of choice. Mini-missiles can be deployed to neutralize swarms of UAVs without wasting large-caliber missiles, which are reserved for armed helicopters or advanced cruise missiles. In a world where reaction time is measured in seconds and mistakes lead to destruction, Pantsir's speed and accuracy become strategic weapons in their own right. This upgrade is not just a step forward, it's a declaration that Pantsir remains relevant, remains deadly, and is now more prepared than ever to face an evolving battlefield. It's a weapon system that doesn't just survive under pressure, it thrives in it. In a moment that escaped the spotlight of international media, Russia quietly introduced major upgrades to its air defense system. During a military parade rehearsal in Tula, a city steeped in military history, the familiar silhouette of the Pantsir S-1 air defense system was seen, though with something different. The short-range air defense system is now equipped with a new radar never seen before. This multi-function radar system marks the most significant upgrade ever applied to the Pantsir S-1. Known for its effectiveness in intercepting threats such as drones, cruise missiles, and fighter jets, the system has now transformed into something more advanced. According to sources within the Russian military, the new radar is based on phased array antenna technology, enabling the Pantsir S-1 to detect, track, and lock onto up to 3 aerial targets simultaneously, while also guiding up to 4 57 E-6 missiles at once. Every component of the Pantsir S-1, from its optical sensors to its 30mm cannons, must be precisely calibrated to function seamlessly with the new radar. This process is not without risks. Even minor software glitches or component mismatches could cause the system to fail in tracking high-speed targets or disrupt missile launch coordination. Nonetheless, Russia appears confident in the results of this technological integration. Although the details of trials and system evaluations remain classified, its appearance in Tula signals that Russia's flagship air defense system is entering a new chapter in its ability to counter modern threats. So, that's all for today's episode, and thanks for watching.